Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your device and launching Teams. Sign in with your work or school account, then grant microphone and camera permissions so calls work. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi to save mobile data and set notifications so you don't miss messages. Make sure contacts are synced so you can find people fast. These first steps get the app operational immediately. They remove common barriers and let you move straight into messaging, calls, and meetings without interruption. Now you handle messages and calls. Open chat to start one-to-one or group conversations. Use it mentions to ensure a teammate sees your note. For real-time contact, tap call or video, and switch cameras or mute so you control what others hear. Once in a chat, attach files from your device or cloud storage, and use inline replies to keep discussions threaded. These actions let you communicate clearly and efficiently while mobile, reducing back and forth and keeping context intact for everyone involved. Finish by managing meetings and handling problems. Join from calendar or a meeting link, then choose if you want video, audio, or to join muted. Use join options to adjust before entering. During the meeting, share your screen or present a file, and pin or spotlight a speaker to guide attention. If audio or video fails, try restarting the app, test microphone and camera permissions, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. This final sequence keeps meetings smooth and gives one troubleshooting step to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.